Homemade strawberry shortcake, a classic dessert featuring tender biscuits, rich whipped cream, and succulent strawberries. My easy recipe lets you enjoy a fresh and delicious treat that celebrates the sweetness of spring. Let's make it. Bismillah. First, preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, half tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon baking soda, and now add half cup unsalted cold butter, cut into small chunks and work it in with your hands or a pastry cutter until the butter is in small, crumbly pieces, and set aside. In another bowl, whisk together half cup of buttermilk or half cup cold milk plus 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 egg. Now add wet ingredients to dry ingredients. Mix and gently knead a few times until dough forms. Don't overmix the shortcake dough, as it can lead to tough shortcakes. Lightly flour the clean counter and pat it down the dough to 1-inch thickness. Use a biscuit cutter or glass to cut out about 3 inches rounds. Place rounds on baking sheet. Combine the dough again and cut out more rounds. Brush the tops with the heavy whipping cream or milk. And if you like crunchy topping, sprinkle some sugar on top. Bake it in preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. While biscuits are baking, prepare the strawberry topping. These sliced strawberries I'm cutting for garnishing. Chop or slice the strawberries about 1 cup. In a medium bowl, mix together sliced strawberries and 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Cover and refrigerate it or let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, until strawberries start to release their juice. After baking, allow shortcakes to cool completely. Split shortcakes in half horizontally using a knife. Now prepare the whipped cream. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Mix and whip until stiff peaks form. You can use electric or stand mixer for this process. Now assemble the shortcakes. Spoon some of the sweetened strawberries over the bottom half of the shortcake. Dollop whipped cream over the strawberries. Add strawberries again if you like. Place the top half of the shortcake on top. Dollop the whipped cream over it. Add sliced strawberry on top and sprinkle with granulated sugar if you like. Serve immediately and enjoy. You can also serve these strawberry shortcake with vanilla ice cream instead of whipped cream. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.